This looks pretty good for some jewfish. All this whitewash, but the current is absolutely ripping though. But in the meantime, I'm gonna chuck this little 1/8 with a Crush City still. I've probably already shown it, but if I haven't, a 2.5 inch Crush City with a 1/8 size one, I think. Size one? I'm pretty sure it's size one. Wouldn't be 1/0. Hopefully there's some good sized bream in here. Last time I was here, I got taken by something pretty big, but I was on barrack. See if anything's interested in it. Actually, a bream that is actually big. I just caught a bream. I didn't get it on camera though, but it was probably the same size as my lure, so about 2.5 inches. Come on. So I didn't even know it was on. I thought I was just had some like random seaweed. It's a little tiny bream. I think that was a bream. Oh yeah, there's bream hitting it. Let's see my line to each. That's the same fish. I think they've got the same fish. Oh, that's a light one. Not even a bad one. Yeah, just get them there, just so I'm afraid. How big you reckon? 40s. He's legal. Oh wow, my line is so afraid. Yeah. Nice little flatty, probably about 40. Oh, it's 45, 50, 60, a metre. On to another flathead. Another, probably just legal. Nah, he's not that big. There he is. Probably just legal. Yeah, about 80 centimetres. He's going back. Did he fray my line? He didn't fray my line. I don't know how. Doesn't make any sense. Oh, we've caught probably 3 in the last half an hour, so I can't even see you right now because of the sun. Yeah, well, 2 here, all up. Oh, another one. This is a tiny one though. Oh my god, I can't even see. This fatty is tiny. This fatty is so small. I'm just doing slow roll. Flatty will basically hit any like slower retrieve. Yeah, he hit it straight away.